Hi, my name is Dylan Gunning, and this is my R2 build. Alright, welcome back R2 builders. I finished polishing my dome using my handy tools right here. Now what I'm going to be doing next is I want to start cutting out the panels on the R2 dome. However, before I do that, I want to flip it over and I'm going to start marking on the inside of the panels. I'm just going to start numbering them or lettering them so I know that this panel belongs here. So I'll put, like, say on the inside I'll put a 1 here and a 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, and just keep going around with a permanent marker on the inside. So when I cut it out, I know where to put it all back. So when you see me next, I will be finished with that and we'll start cutting. Thanks. So the next step we're going to be working on is cutting out the individual panels. I've already labeled each panel on the inside. I did number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up top here. And then I put numbers down the bottom right here. I actually put B1, B2, B3 for bottom 1, 2, 3, just so there's no confusion. There shouldn't be, but just to be safe. To cut out the panels, we had these little slots that were left in here during the milling job of the dome. So I picked up at the hardware store. It's a 10-inch hacksaw. What we're just going to do is do a nice slow cut, work our way through, and make it nice and clean. All right, let's begin doing this. Alright, got the first piece cut. You can kind of see I put a number on the back here, so I'll be able to match it up later. Have to admit that was a little scary because I don't want to mess it up. But now you just see there's a little bits here and there. I'm just going to go ahead and during that same purchase time, I got a file and I'm just going to very carefully file it out until it's nice and smooth. And while we're doing that as well, we're going to look on the inside and see if there's any leftover burrs from the laser cutting, and we're going to smooth those out as well. Alright, so now that one panel is now complete, I smoothed out the edges along the side. I worked on deburring all the edges, so I'm now going to put that to the side. I'm going to start filing out the inside here, making that smooth, and then I'm going to start cutting everyone else. So it's going to take a while, but we're going to do it nice and slow so there's no accidents or mistakes. Okay, now that area is smoothed out, so we'll move on to the next, and we'll see the finished product in a little bit. This next part here, we're going to be filing off the little edges of all the pipe plates and getting them all cleaned up so they fit smoothly together. I went to the hardware store and I got some various files, got some flat ones, got some that are good triangle size, and we got some round ones. I just got a basic kit of all these different shapes and sizes. It was only a couple bucks, and I'm using those for going through it all. So we're going to be cutting out these little guys right here and then smoothing out the edges so when we connect the two, the inner and the outer dome together, they fit smoothly. All right, so I'm just going around for each one of these and just working my way slowly through them all. It's going to be time consuming, but that's what makes it fun. All right. Thank you much.